All right, today we're going to bring a vacuum. This has a lot of different options, pretty good options they include. They include the actual extension poles, additional hanger, additional filters, and then easy to assemble, and also the base itself, the unit. So you can vacuum the floors, the carpets, pretty much anywhere, your car, anywhere. If you own dogs like I do, this is going to be very convenient because I like this one. This is one of my favorite ones because of the brushes to brush away on the couches. So we're going to test it out today and see how it works. Let's go ahead and talk a little bit more about the filters itself. To remove the filter, you have to remove this base here unit. There is a lock mechanism. This is interchangeable, very simple to replace. They give you an extra one. So let's go ahead and put it to use. Okay.
Look at all this dog hair.
Stretch it out. All right, very important. When you hold down the button, it turns on. You got faster mode and then lower, right? That's the highest it goes. So there's a couple modes by holding down the button and then touching the screen to see. And it also tells you the life battery. So very important to know about these things so you can actually manually control the speeds on. Right, after cleaning for half an hour, it came out really well. If you guys can see, this base has a lock here mechanism, so you can lock it in place. It's set on a drywall. It's charging as it is, and it's hanging free. It has the two extra utilities that we need to attach and deattach and have it ready to go. So very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.